box to buy it. Number 3 is Phrozen Sonic Mini Resin 3D Printer. Introducing the game changer in the world of 3D printing, the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8K LCD Resin 3D Printer. Prepare to be blown away by the mind-boggling features that make it the best companion for silicone mold enthusiasts. Get ready for a revolution in precision and detail like never before. With its breathtaking 22mm, 1152 ppi, ultra-high resolution, this printer takes the crown for delivering the highest resolution available on the market. Say goodbye to blurry prints and hello to exquisitely intricate miniatures and bust sculpts that will leave you in awe. Thanks to the cutting-edge linear projection LED module, the Sonic Mini 8K ensures unparalleled light uniformity, revealing hidden details that would have been lost on lesser printers. Forget about the woes of unstable prints, as the ultra-stable dual linear rails ended Z-axis knotting. Now you can indulge in high-quality models with utmost stability, ensuring flawless results every time. With its expansive 7.1-inch mono LCD screen and generous 18cm Z-axis, the Sonic Mini 8K offers a larger printing space to explore your creativity. Unleash your imagination and simultaneously bring more comprehensive designs or multiple miniatures to life. So if you want to purchase the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box below.